Good evening once more. So I do apologise about the voice, suffering from cough over the worst of it, nothing too serious. So this is our business. This is MyOnlineStartup.com. Quite a lot involved in it. So most things online are actual offers, and I'm going to explain how they're just a wee bit different. So if we head over to Warrior Plus, and it's got like different offers here, just like ClickBank is. I could have loaded that up. I'll load that Warrior Plus, so it's just verifying. We'll pause it in case you see a password. So it didn't. I know it's not permitted to see email addresses, or don't know if it'd be fine if my own displayed, but I've noticed that from the past you can't do it. So you can log in here, you can sign up. The video isn't really about Warrior Plus, it's just to show it as an example. In fact, I think I might need to log in to show you. See if it lets me. Let's see. So it did come up with my username, but it was password protected. So it's like it's a marketplace. Some of them are products I do buy, not if it's a business, but just depending what they're offering, if it's traffic and stuff like that. And so birthdays in black background. So flash the cash, maybe you want to promote this offer. No idea what it is, but we'll just take a look anyway. Yes, so it's like a one-time offer. There's no real connection with it's a course and things like that. It's a one-off thing in my view. So some of these, not courses I wouldn't buy, but some of the offers where it's how to like market on X and things like that, secret traffic methods, that's what I would purchase, and things like that. So we'll come out of this and go back to the Edges, created a new thing. Instead of the pages up there, it's on as a taskbar. So so what we're hoping to create with MyOnlineStartup.com is not just an offer, and it's nothing against funnels, but outside the make money online niche. Say you've made a wee bit of money and you have to pay tax. It doesn't matter if you're in the UK, which I'm from, or America or Australia, it doesn't matter. And putting forward these kind of businesses to the business world, it might be frowned upon as this MLM, multi-level marketing. So trying to not just have this as an offer, an opportunity, an actual real business. So and that's how we've got it set up, that it will pass the test really. So when you create a free account, you get taken to our portal, and you're told exactly what you need to do. When you join us in each module in the business, there is an action plan. So this is what you need to do. We are not on a Facebook community. Probably know it's not someone within Facebook that doesn't like certain businesses. It's basically an algorithm, and I don't think it's really suitable for any online business. There's been stories where it's been perhaps like not even a make money online each business has been, say they were sort of a brick and mortar, so they were construction, they've had millions of followers and just shut down. It's really not congruent with Facebook free traffic. I think really they're wanting you to do the Facebook ads, so it's not really suitable now, I don't think, having a Facebook group. So what's the in thing is a school community. So once you create a free account, you're taken to this place and then you can join our community, and this will be the first section of the video. There will be quite a lot, so probably hundreds of videos talking about our business. I actually signed up on the phone, which is a different account, and this one isn't something that I use. I just probably didn't know what I was doing, so being a partner, which is an option as well. So you go up here, and then you've got your profile, and you can set it up in this portal. It's for the business, so it's not permitted to go on here and post like that Warrior Forum link and things like that. You'll just get thrown out, banned. It's not for that. It's for a community. I remember someone saying to recently, I don't need any help, which is quite a foolish thing to say, but we all need help. Saying level 1 newcomer, because I don't use this account, I use another one. So you can edit your profile from here. I always use AI, but I don't think I have in this case. And so you've got your school link, you've got your name, and I've not, because it's not my main account on this thing, there's nothing really set up, but you put in your website if you have one. That's something that can build for you. It's going to be in the future AI generated content. You've got Instagram, you've got X, you've got YouTube, LinkedIn, and also Facebook. And then you've got the settings. It's just different stuff like that. And then here you've got the notifications from posts that you maybe posted yourself or commented it on. So try and get out of here if we can. Go back to start, right? So as I say, this is a different account, and then as issues an email, we have a done for your email series, which with Gmail it's not going into the inbox. Quite frustrating, but it's just one of those things. So 3 people liked that, so probably be a lot more to show you if I use this account, but I don't. So let's see if we can get into the main page with it. That's just things that I've posted. So here's the founder. So it has updates for the business, done for you system, which is an email series where they access a page like this, which will show you. So we'll just load that up. So here it is, right, breaking a reel, showing them this email and things like that. So this is just a really great traffic source, actually, called NeoBucks. It's a PPC, which is pay per click, which a lot of these sites are kind of useless, but this NeoBucks is really good. I'll be using this today. So maybe I've probably posted a video about it, so you can take a look at that. So these are just one from a Facebook profile. So if somebody uses that link, well, I know it comes, which did recently, comes from Facebook profile, and NeoBucks, I know that traffic came from there. So if we just do this and paste, a bit slow tonight, and it should come up soon. Yeah, so they go on that page, they click to access, they put in their email, and then there's opportunity to create a free account, and with that the they go on an email list and you follow up by email. It's all automated, and there's a video you can watch as well. So that's the join a community or skill community. It's very worthwhile rather, and then stay updated with the updates. So maybe you're not always on your email, you're not always on the school, and you can click here. That's the first one again, join the community, and then subscribe. So here we've got exclusive email newsletter, so you'll get the email from My Online Startup, what's happening and so much more. And then the number 3, connect with us on social media. So that's so you don't miss anything what's happening, and that is the second thing that's good. And connect with the owner on social media. If he puts updates on there, then that's what to do. The storm in Scotland last night, so I think that's why the internet is kind of a wee bit slow. So here it is. It's on some of the stuff I'm not on. Its own personal email list, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. I'm on most of these actually. X, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, Medium, Thread, on that, Quora, on that, on Reddit. So that's so you don't miss anything at all. And we'll go back to the start. So this is a page that you'll see when you join. So start here, welcome to the family. And so in each module there is an action plan, like do 2 or 3 different things. So that's what you would do first. So that is the first baby step. So come and join us. It will really be worthwhile. A business, I believe, like no other. So it's been a 12-minute video as an introduction. So you'll see a lot of snippets over the next month or so. So it's going to be quite a lot of these videos that I would imagine through the shorts. It'll be all year that you'll get this in full. So come and join us, and we'll see you there. And we'd love to welcome you to the family. Bye bye for now.